We're looking at the parts from a Mercedes diesel engine, and we've got a code. It's a turbo boost performance, which is the most common code we deal with. And a big part of that problem is the soot buildup that gets into the intake system. It's just never ending. And if there's a restriction for the airflow, the intake system, it will drop the turbo boost. And there's sensors that measure the airflow to the air intake system, and then that gives us a code. And there's other things you can check is the charge air cooler. If there's a leak in the core, and we're finding that you can see in there just like a black hole, that EGR cooler. If there's any restriction there, we're just taking it off. We're going to clean it. This one here is seized up. There's steel rings in the back. They're sealing rings, and we've been fighting with that for a bit, trying to get it off. Elbow at the back, and using the 5-foot bar trying to get it off, but we've soaked it with penetrating oil. But so once we get that off, we'll clean it out. We just use that carb cleaner spray. It's clean flow. We just spray it and then we steam clean it. Works pretty good. Around the other side, we just pull in the air intake manifold. We're going to get the EGR cooler off first, but the air intake manifold has got to come off. As you can see, it's probably see it better with a flashlight, but it's all full of, there's a big layer of soot build up there. So that's all it's going to take, is cleaning everything out and going for another road test, see if the code comes back. Just more maintenance than anything. Don't have to replace anything, just some gaskets, and once we service everything and clean it up, it will run much better. Also, I should mention these 2 lines here. That's a delta sensor. It measures the flow, sends that to the ECM. Of course, if that doesn't meet the specs, it flips that 2631 code. And that's where we're at right now. So a bit of work tomorrow, get it all cleaned up and back together.